Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you can't download any apps on your system or any files, this video is for you. I will show you how you can fix it. So quickly, you should be using any browser, Google Chrome, Brave or Edge. So steps will be same, almost similar on Windows. So whenever you open any browser here, you have to look for this option which says download. How you can find it out? On Chrome and Edge also, come over to the settings here and then you will see here the download button here, options, and then you will see the location here. Sometime what happens that your browser and apps is downloaded, but that is in a different location and you are not able to get it and you are not able to use that location. So in order to fix this issue, just click on change option here and now look for your username here. This PC C drive users and then your username and then select your download location here. And now once you select it, the download location should be changed here and now it should fix your issue instantly. But if that is not working still, that you can restore your system browser to default here. Click on reset setting and restore setting to their original values. Same option you will get in Google Chrome as well. And now the reset will be done on your browser and see if that is working for you or not. If it should work and it should fix the issue. If still not, then you can add and remove that program from your system. Just come over to add and remove program, look for the browser, go to three dots and uninstall it and see if the uninstall is worked for you or not. These three steps, one of the steps should work for you guys. So please let me know in the comment box which steps is working for you, and also if these steps didn't work for you, then also comment me. I will try to reply you. So thank you. Please make sure you subscribe the channel and thank you. Thanks for watching.